Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. My name is Rashmi and in this video we will be starting with the examples of chapter number 8. So we have completed exercises and introduction of this chapter. The name of the chapter is Comparing Quantities. And today we will be starting with all the examples of this chapter. Children, the examples of this chapter are also very important. So example number 1. Is on page number 117 of our NCERT book. So example number 1 says a picnic is being planned in a school for class 7. Girls are 60%. Of the total number of students and are 18 in number. Okay, so the percentage of girls is given and we are also given the number of girls in the class. So there are 18 girls in the class. The picnic site is 55 km. From the school and the transport company is charging at the rate of rupees 12 per kilometer. The total cost of refreshments will be rupees 4280. So this is the information which is given in this question. It's a little lengthy question and we are asked 3 questions. So our first question is the ratio of the number of girls to the number of boys in the class. We have to find the ratio of the number of girls to the number of boys. So let's read the information again. A picnic is being planned in a school for class 7. Okay, girls are 60% of the total students. Girls 60% हैं of the total students and are 18 in number. It means that हमें girls percentage में भी given है and in number also. So if we let the total number of students be x, if the total number of students are x, so 60% of x is number of girls, right? 60% उसमें से number of girls है, total x है, means number of boys will be remaining 40%. Okay, but इधर हमें number of girls से total number of students निकालने हैं, which are 18 in number. So we can say 60% of x equals to 18. Why? Because we know that x is the total number of students and 60% of x are girls and they are 18 in number. So we formed an equation, and with this equation we can find the value of x now. X is the total number of students, then total number of students and girls are, we have, then we can find the number of boys from that. So let the number of students be x. So 60% of x equals to 18. It means 60 upon 100 of x equals to 18. 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10. So this is 3x upon 5 equals to 18. So the value of x comes out to be 18. 5 division में है, so it will move to RHS and अब ये हो जाएगा multiplication में. And similarly 3 is in multiplication, so when we will transpose 3 it will become in division. So upon 3. Okay, and we know that 3 6 18 होता है. So the value of x comes out to be 30. Now x were the number of students. Now total number of students. Now total number of students are 30. And girls are 18. So boys equals to 30 minus 18, which will give us 12. So it means number of girls are 18 and number of boys are 12. Now we have to find the ratio. Ratio of the number of girls to the number of boys. So ratio equals to, first we have number of girls which are 18 in number, and then we have number of boys which are 12 in number. So 18 is to 12. So we can write 18 is to 12 as 18 upon 12. So 3 4s are 12, 3 6 are 18, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. So the ratio comes out to be 2 is to 3. So the ratio of the number of girls to the number of boys is 2 is to 3. So the ratio is 2 is to 3. So what we did, children, in our first part, we were asked to find the ratio of the number of girls to the number of boys in class. And what we were given the percentage of girls 60% and the number of girls as well, which is 18 in number. Okay, so we can let the total number of students be x. So we have total number of students as x and we have 60% of that x as 18. So हमने उसकी एक equation बनाई, 60% of x equals to 18. Then we solve and find the value of x, which comes out to be 30. It means total number of students है 30 and number of girls है उसमें से 18. So number of boys equals to 30 minus 18. So we get 12. Number of boys 12. So अब ratio के लिए हमारे पास number of girls भी है, number of boys भी है. So ratio of the number of girls to the number of boys. So first we will write the number of girls. Number of girls 18 and number of boys 12. so we can cut it. अभी ये 18 and 12 are multiples of 2 and 3. 2 के भी multiples हैं, 3 के भी हैं. So we can cut these numbers. अब हमने इस नंबर को कट किया तो हमारे पास आया 3/2. So we can, this is 3/2. So 3:2 हमारी रेशो आई. 3/2 means 3:2. So the ratio of the number of girls to the number of boys is 3:2. Okay, so this was part number 1 of example 1. Okay, so this is 3x x equals to 18 into 5/3. So ये हो गया 6 and 5 6 are 30. Okay, and the ratio comes out to be 3:2. So this is the ratio, 3:2. Okay, so this was part number 1. Now let's come to the next part. Second part says the cost per head. If 2 teachers are also going, with the class, so now we have the total number of students as 30. Okay, now he is asking the cost per head. Per head means cost per child. Okay, so total number of students are 30 and plus 2 teachers are also going with the class, so it means total number of people going on the trip ho gaye 32. But now we have the picnic site is 55 kilometer away from the school. Picnic site is 55 kilometer away from the school. It means 55 जाने का and 55 वापस आने का. So total 55 into 2. So total kilometer we have 55 into 2. And also it is given that the transport company is charging at the rate of rupees 12 per kilometer. Yes, so into 12. Why? Because 12 rupees per kilometer charge हो रहे हैं. So total kilometer कितना है 55 into 2. So 55 into 2 into 12 करेंगे. So we will get what? We will get our transport charges. These are the transport charges. After calculating this, we will add the refreshment charge in this as well. Why? Because the question says the picnic site is 55 kilometer away from school and transport company is charging at the rate of rupees 12 per kilometer. Rupees 12 per kilometer means that for 1 kilometer it is charging 12 rupees. Okay, so for 55 into 2 kilometer, how much money the transport company will charge? So into 12. Okay, so let's calculate the transport charges or transportation charges. 5 2s are 10. 1 carry. 5 2s are 10 plus 1 11 into 12. So 1 0 as it is. 12 10 जा होता है हमारे पास 120. So 120 plus 12. 132. 1320. Now how I calculated this? Let's check. 12 into 11 करके check करते हैं क्या आता है. 1 2 से 2, 1 1 से 1, 1 2 से 2, 1 1 से 1. So 132. So our answer is correct. 1320. This is the transportation charge. Now we will add the refreshment charge because the total cost of refreshments will be 4280. So total cost equals to transportation charges plus refreshment charges. Transportation charge है 1320 plus refreshment charge है 4280. Okay, now this is 0 plus 0 0, 8 plus 2 is 10, 0 1 carry, 3 plus 2 5 plus 1 6 and 4 plus 1 5. So this is 5600. So we have 5600 as the total cost. Now हमारे पास total cost आ गई. Now we want total number of people on going on the trip. So अब हमें पता है total number of students हैं total students plus 2 teachers. Total number of students we have 30 plus 2 teachers 32. So total number of people 32 है and total cost of refreshment 5600 है. So now we can calculate the cost per head. Cost per head कैसे calculate करेंगे? Cost per head equals to 5600 divided by 32. Total cost 5600, total number of people 32. So इसको divide करके we will get the cost per head. Okay, so 5600 and 32 both are multiples of 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 2 8s are 16, 2 4, 2 1 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 0 0 as it is. Now this is 2 4s are 8, 2 7s are 14. Now again 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10. Again 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14 and 2 5s are 10. So 175. अब ये 175 क्या है? This is the cost per head. Means 175 rupees per head इस ट्रिप का चार्ज है. So total 32 people are going on the trip. So it means on the picnic. So it means 32 into 175 करके we can calculate the total cost, which will come out to be 5600. Okay, so children, in this part what we did, we were asked to find the cost per head if 2 teachers are also going with the class. So now we know that the picnic site is 55 kilometer away from the school, but वो one side का हमारे पास किलोमीटर है, one side पे 55 किलोमीटर लगेगा, but वो लोग वापस भी आएंगे, right? So 55 into 2 तो ऐसे ही हो गया, 55 into 2. Okay, then it is also said that the transport company is charging at the rate of 12 rupees per kilometer. Now we have total kilometer 55 into 2, 110 total kilometers है. अब 1 किलोमीटर का चार्ज 12 rupees है, so 110 किलोमीटर का 110 into 12. So ये तो हमारे पास आ गए ट्रांसपोर्ट चार्जेस. Okay, these are the transport charges, but now we have to add the refreshment charges in this as well. The total refreshment charges are given 4280. So we add, so total cost हमारी आ गई 1320 plus 4280. We added the transport charges and refreshment charges. Okay, so the total cost comes out to be 5600. अब total cost 5600 है. अब total number of people निकालेंगे. So 30 students plus 2 teachers, as it is said that 2 teachers are also going with the class. So 32 total number of people हो गए. Now for cost per head we will divide 5600 by 32. Okay, so we'll get the cost per head. मतलब एक एक बच्चे की और 2 टीचर्स की अलग अलग कॉस्ट क्या है, दैट इज 175 रुपीज. सो ₹175 is the cost per head. Now let's come to the last part of this question. Now the third part. The third part is, if their first stop is at a place, where should I write this? Let's write here. The third part says, if their first stop is at a place 22 kilometer, at a place 22 kilometer from the school. What percentage of the total distance of 55 kilometer is this? What percent of total distance of 55 kilometer is this? What percent of the distance is left to be covered? What percent of the distance is left to be covered? So let's read this part again. अभी समझ में नहीं आया कि ये पूछ क्या रहा है. So if their first stop is at a place 22 kilometer from the school, suppose they are traveling and 22 kilometer जब travel उनका हो गया तो उन्होंने एक stop लिया. एक बार उन्होंने बस को रोका, ठीक है, एक stop हुआ उनका वहाँ पे, that was their first stop. Okay, so what percentage of the total distance of 55 kilometer is this? Now total distance one side का 55 kilometer है, as we all know. Yes, okay. So अब वो 22 किलोमीटर कितना परसेंट है 55 का? So this is very easy. How we will calculate this? Their first stop is at 22 kilometer and total distance is one-sided distance, children, 55 किलोमीटर. ओके, बिकॉज यहाँ पे वन साइड की बात हो रही है तो अब हम इसको इंटू 2 नहीं करेंगे, ठीक है. नाउ सो द परसेंटेज ऑफ let's just write percentage equals to, first we will write कि कितना कवर हुआ 22 अपॉन टोटल आता है हमेशा तो 55 into 100. बस हमें यही करना है, that's it. We have to calculate the कि 22 55 का कितना परसेंट है. So 22 upon 55 into 100. Now this is 11 2s are 22, 11 5s are 55, and 5 20s are 100. So this is 40%. It means this is 40% of the total distance 55 किलोमीटर. मतलब 22 किलोमीटर 40% है 55 किलोमीटर का. And our next question is what percent of distance is left to be covered. Now ये 40% तो उन्होंने cover कर लिया. So how much is left? Percentage of distance left to be covered equals to 100% minus 40%. So we will get 60%. It means 60% of the total distance is still left to be covered. Okay. So the part number 3 says if their first stop is at a place of 22 kilometer from the school, what percent of the total distance of 55 kilometer is this? So it means he is directly asking 22 kilometer 55 kilometer का कितना percent है? So 22 upon 55 into 100. We have done in exercise 8.1 also that whenever we have to convert a fraction into percentage, we multiply it by 100. So हमने यहाँ पे भी वही किया and then the answer comes out to be 40%. अब 40% है total distance का ही. अब कितना left है? अब 40% तो cover कर गए, तो कितना left हुआ? 100 minus 40 which is 60%. So 60% of the distance is still left to be covered. उस जगह से जहाँ पे वो भी stop है वहाँ से अभी उनका 60% distance और रहता है. Okay, so this was our example number 1 of chapter number 8. The name of the chapter is comparing quantities. Okay. So children, this was our example number 1. Example number 2 will be starting in our next video. So till then, practice all the questions, especially this example. This is very important example. इसमें हमें basically हर step में, हर part में एक new चीज़ सीखने को मिली. So practice this question again. And if you have any doubt, you can write in our comment section below. And thank you.